Hutch Mandel lives a normal life with a family, with a job, very nondescript, non-existent, not much going on. He's a nobody. Then something happens and his past bubbles to the surface and shit gets crazy. That's the story of 2021's Nobody, starring Bob Odenkirk, directed by Ilya Naishuller, and take it hyper-violent action where you have Odenkirk, who is nobody, is a crazy hitman, assassin, auditor type, and blood, guts, gore, revenge. 4 stars out of 5. Watch it. Let me know.